thump in your face on me see our street. And push the trigger down your mouth.
Jacure still has not refunded the American rapper Easy Money money, even after he said he was rich and would punch him in the face and push the $3,000 down his throat and he could run back the money. This is Talk Truth Jamaica. Welcome to Talk Truth Jamaica, where we explore hot, trendy topics.
I gotta just run back your money, me rich.
Wagwan people, this is your girl CC. This is a follow-up video based on the first video we did about Jacure discrepancies with rapper Easy Money. Secretary Halcock, aka Jacure, apparently has not refunded Easy Money money. Easy Money paid Jacure for a feature from 2016, but Jacure has failed to uphold his end of the bargain. Easy Money responded under a video that we posted here at Talk Truth Jamaica. His comments read, Jacure thief my money is no triggering, a 5-year ongoing situation. How long was I supposed to not say anything? Tell him since you think I triggered him. Now, Easy Money is responding to the content that I made in the video, where I specifically said, I don't know what Easy Money said to trigger Jacure's diabolical response. So apparently, Easy Money took offense to my remark, which I explained under his comment. You could go over there and check that video out and read those comments, but I will not get into it into this one. Now let me make this clear. I am not looking for a clout off of Jacure's name. I'm just doing my job.
Yeah, goody. Talk out your nice clean mouth.
With that said, this is my analysis of the situation. Jacure is definitely broke.
Talk truth.
Broke. Either that or he is just a straight up scammer. Let me say again, I am not trying to tear him down or come for him. But as a celebrity, image is everything. That's just something you do not play with. Your image and your credibility. Only if Jacure understood the business aspect of the music. If Jacure is as rich as he claims to be, then refunding a little chump change shouldn't be a problem. I don't think the persons that are around Jacure really mean him any good. Or they would tell him, bro, just refund back the man money. Now I don't know if Easy Money will be pursuing legal actions, and if he don't, why not? All I know is Jacure has still not refunded the money. Jacure has had too much drama surrounding his career, and that leaves a bad taste in the mouth of reggae fans. Jacure was such a humble soul whilst he was in prison. He won the hearts of many through interviews that was done while in prison. I don't know exactly what happened to the humble nature Jacure.
We are in this prison walls, doing my paces, doing my time.
But I will say this, Jacure is using his own mouth to tear down his own career. He is destroying himself little by little, bit by bit. Viewers and subscribers, let me know if you think Jacure should refund Easy Money money.
Don't tell your man. Don't tell your man. Bridget's not run away. Wear your sandals, girl. You don't tell your man. You wake up on no money. Tell your friend them so you're not gonna win.
We say, what kind of style you in? Is that a Gucci shirt and sneakers? If you can't afford none of them, then girl, cool yourself and see me.
When you want buy what you need, don't make the man fuck you finna lace wig. When you want buy what you need, no bow for no waist man through your belly big. It's not worthy, that dirty, stop flirty. Fit to a virgin, to a thirsty, blow kirky. Bridget's have sell out all what day. You know much of them fuck out just figure pay. I tell you man.
And the clothes make you look good, and you make clothes look good. So don't worry if you can't afford it. Just hold it, no pull it, no slackness with no man for your face. We say Gucci shirt and sneakers. If you can't afford none of them, then girl, cool yourself and see man.
Where you want buy what you need.
They go by the name Queenstown. To how them bad, me no know how them na boss it or why them na boss it. The tune. Boy. The message in other song there, I say, wear what you have, buy what you need. Trust me, in a time like this, where everybody are trying to keep up with the Instagram fake life, them couldn't send a better message. Me say the tune slap way. So just head on over to Queenstown YouTube channel now and check them out.